This equation says solve, and my equation says negative 10 is equal to x 11ths minus 5. In order to solve for this equation, I first am going to need to get the x by itself. To do that, I'm going to get rid of the negative 5 first. The opposite of negative 5 is a positive 5. Whatever I do on the right side of my equation, I need to do on the left side of my equation. So I'm going to add 5 on the left side as well. Now, when I'm looking at these, I see that my signs are different, so I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So my answer is 5. Negative 10 has the larger absolute value, so this is negative 10. This is equal to x over 11. And at this point, I'd like you to pause your video, and I'd like you to try to solve for x. And at that point, turn the video back on, and I'll walk you through the rest of the solution. Okay, the opposite of dividing by 11 is to multiply by 11. So on the right hand side, I'm going to multiply by 11. And on the left hand side, I'm going to multiply by 11. Over here on this side, my 11s will cancel, leaving my x all by itself. So I now have x alone. So I'm going to write x equals. And I'm going to take 5 times 11, and I get 55. And since I'm multiplying by the negative, my sign is going to remain negative because negative times a positive is negative. My answer is negative 55. Okay, you can watch this video again as many times as it takes to understand the process. One thing I should tell you is that you can always check your work. If I take negative 55 and I substitute that in for x, I'd have negative 55 divided by 11, which is going to be negative 5. And then I have negative 5 minus negative 5, which is going to equal negative 10. Negative 10 does equal negative 10, so I have correctly solved this problem.